Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Assistive Touch not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check iOS update. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is turn off Assistive Touch and turning on back. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, tap on Assistive touch toggle off, and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory first. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Assistive Touch not working on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.